This year, educators have the opportunity to discover emerging technologies that stand to revolutionize the language arts. This panel will explore the work of three amazing Indigenous culture keepers and scientists who are advancing culture through technology. Our conversation will be focused on how to preserve and revitalize Indigenous languages using XR technologies. We will discuss the importance of language preservation as well as policies that have contributed to their loss. We will also discuss some exciting positive advances that reverse these outcomes, focusing on native-led approaches that include language immersion practices and technologies such as image recognition, geolocation, and augmented reality to inject Indigenous languages back into our daily lives and into our landscapes to help the next generation acquire language. These native-led approaches include thought leadership on data sovereignty. Who owns these language data? How and where are these data stored? Who has access? These and other questions will be discussed on this panel. Keolu Fox is the first Kanaka Maoli, or Native Hawaiian, to receive a doctorate in genome sciences and is an assistant professor at the University of California, San Diego, where he is also co-founder and co-director of the Indigenous Futures Institute. His work focuses on the connection between raw data as a resource and the emerging value of genomic health data from Indigenous communities. Stanley Rodriguez is a tribal council member of the Ipai Nation of Santa Isabel. He is also an instructor at Cal State San Marcos and at Kumeyaay Community College, where he is also a director and where he teaches Kumeyaay language immersion classes, ethnohistory, and ethnobotany. He is one of 6 appointees to the California Native American Heritage Commission by Governor Gavin Newsom. He is on the board of directors of AICLS, or Advocates for Indigenous California Language Survival, and he is also on the board of advisors for Our Worlds, the native-led technology company that won South by Southwest EDU launch in 2022. Michael Running Wolf was raised in a rural village in Montana with intermittent water and electricity, with grandparents who only spoke their tribal languages, Cheyenne and Lakota. These languages, like many other Indigenous languages, are near extinction, but with his background in computer science, working with companies such as Amazon and IBM, he advances technologies for Indigenous language revitalization using XR technology. He is also the founder of Indigenous in AI. Please vote for our panel. Voting ends August 21st. Thank you.